Good morning. Let's see about the topic relationship between HCF and LCM. Okay, the product of two numbers is always equal to HCF and LCM of the given two numbers. Okay, once again see, the product of the given two numbers is always equal to product of HCF and LCM of the given two number. Okay, now I'll show you one example, then you can understand very well. For example, I have taken two numbers, 9 and 12. Okay, now let's check this relationship is true or not. See, first find the HCF and LCM. HCF of 9 and 12. What you will get? Bigger number inside, smaller number outside. Just we will divide. 9 ones are 9 and 3 is remainder. Now 3 is a divisor and 9 we will write inside. 3 3s are 9, 0. So by using 3 we got 0 remainder. So 3 is a HCF. So HCF of 9 and 12 is 3. Okay, find the LCM. LCM of 9 and 12 is equal to LCM. How we will find? 9, 12. By 3 we can divide. 3 3s are 9, 3 4s are 12. Again by 3, 3 ones are 3 and 4 can't divide by 3, so 4. Now 2, 1, 2 2s are 4, 2, 1, 2 ones are 2. Now multiply all the number. 3 3s are 9, 9 2s are 18, 18 2s are 36. So LCM we got 36. Okay, now let's check our relationship. This is right or wrong. Product of two numbers. Product of two numbers means multiplication of the two number. 9 multiply 12 is equal to multiplication of product of HCF and LCM. Product of HCF 3, LCM 36. Let's check. 9 and 12, 108 is equal to 3 and 36, 108. See, both are same. Clear? That only we learned here. Product of two numbers is equal to HCF multiply LCM. Product of the HCF and LCM of the two numbers. Give. Understand now? Okay, now see, by using this relationship, let's solve one problem. Find the HCF of 18 and 20 if their LCM is 180. Find the HCF. We are going to find the HCF of 18 and 20 if their LCM is 180. By using the relation, how to find? We know the product of two number. The two number what? 18 and 20. The product of two numbers are equal to the product of HCF and LCM. LCM is given 180 but HCF not given. They told us to find the HCF. Clear? So product of two number, it is equal to HCF multiply LCM we know. So I wrote the relation. Okay, now let's solve. We are going to find the HCF. See, first multiply this both number. 18 multiply 20, what you will get? 2 into 18, 36 and 0. So 18 multiply 20, 360 is equal to HCF multiply 180. We need to find HCF, so only HCF you keep here and 180 you bring this side. 180 is there with the multiplication there, so it will come here division. So HCF only will remain here, 180 will come here. 360, 180 is here with the multiplication, so it will come here division. Suppose this number is here in division, so it will come here multiplication. Okay, opposite. Okay, now HCF is equal to 360 divided by 180. Divide. 180 ones are 180, 180 twos are 360. So HCF what we got? 2. HCF is 2. Clear? Suppose here HCF is given, LCM not given, means same procedure. Only LCM keep there and HCF bring this side by division and divide, you will get the LCM. Clear? Thank you.